Good morning, my girls. Another day, another vlog. Today actually is not like a full vlog. It's gonna be more like a fall wintertime reset. It's Sunday and I need to wash my hair and I need to clean up. So we're gonna reset the house. Y'all know the house is in renovation, so only the upstairs is available and the other two rooms are not occupied right now. So I'm gonna be cleaning our room, our bathroom, CJ's room, and CJ's bathroom. And yeah, then I'm gonna be doing some little self-care. So some of my fall favorites, what I've been loving, things that just take me to like a spa vibes. Like I'm a mom now, so I don't get to get out and do all the things that I like to do all the time. So I had to bring that stuff and integrate it into my everyday life. So I have a little steamer here for my skin. My bathroom is aesthetically pleasing as if I'm at the spa. I got some eucalyptus in the shower. I got ShampooHotel Miami shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so we're gonna be reviewing that, trying that, seeing how we like it on the hair. And yeah, just vibe with me on this Sunday to some mellow vibes while I clean up. Something different, you know, the content that I love to watch and love to create. I'm just in a different time period of my life. And sometimes like when you become a mom, you still try to be that same person. So I'm waiting on trips. I'm waiting to record. Like, no, do not wait. And if I'm talking to you, listen up. Turn the volume up. I'm gonna put some captions on this video. Don't wait. Just integrate your life. Like, show what you are doing. Like, I'm not traveling. I haven't traveled in a long time. Not because I can't. More so because I don't really care to. But in the meantime, I'm still doing cool stuff. I still got a message. I still got things to tell, okay? So why stop and wait just for vacation moment? Like, every day is vacation. That's the new world, if you don't know. Like, we're not working hard. We're not over functioning. Like, I had to learn. I was over functioning in friendships, relationships, family situations, just doing the most, putting too much of yourself out there, worrying about what everybody else is doing, and you're not getting that same energy reciprocated. So today, that's what we're doing, and I'm the self-care queen. My husband just said the other day, it don't matter if we running late, it don't matter if we doing this, doing that, you're still going to record a video, and period, because it took me a long time to get here, and you're not about to mess this up for me. So this probably not gonna be a part of my weekly vlog. I'm just gonna drop this one of the days, and y'all comment below, let me know how y'all like it. If y'all subscribe, what y'all would like to see more of. If you're not subscribed, let me know what y'all want to see, because I do a lot of everything. Like, I know my page really looks like niche down to hair, but that's how I started, but got so much more to offer. Like, I'm about to take a class at Sephora next week so I can learn some makeup. So boom, now with hair and makeup, then boom, I'm about to get back on my shopping tip too, because why not? And not just shopping to shop, like things that I actually like, pieces that are quality material, okay? Real reviews, real functions, real food, real people. So yeah, let me stop talking and get into this cleanup for my husband get home, because he's expecting a clean house and a meal cooked. And I got a little surprise that I'm gonna be doing later on when our kitchen get done. So I ain't gonna be recording and vlogging myself cooking too much, okay? If you wanna see some of that, it's on the shorts. I have a few cooking for my husband with no kitchen shorts up. Yeah, if you see this video, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. You're gonna love it here. We're friends and family forever, so let's just get into